Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the exact Yale model and that batteries are fresh. Outdated power often blocks pairing. Once done, open the Yale app and allow Bluetooth and location permissions so the phone can discover the lock. Make sure your home hub or Wi-Fi bridge, if required, is powered and online. Some models need a bridge to add remote features. Now, press the Yale Lock's pairing button for the required time to put the lock into discoverable mode and watch the app for the new device. You'll now add the lock in the Yale app or through your hub's interface. Choose Add Device, pick your model, and follow the prompts. When the app asks, enter the pairing PIN printed inside the lock or scan the device QR code to authenticate. Make sure to keep the phone within a few feet of the lock during exchange. Bluetooth range matters. Once the app shows progress, wait for the lock's confirmation tone and a success screen. This indicates keys and permissions were transferred correctly. Finish by setting user codes, schedules, and permissions inside the app, and then test a manual and remote lock/unlock to confirm full functionality. If the system prompts, apply the firmware update now because updates fix connectivity and security bugs. If pairing fails, try the classic fixes. Restart the phone and app, remove and reinsert the lock batteries, relocate the bridge closer, and attempt pairing again. Commonly, interference or low power is the culprit, so addressing those resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.